Hi friends, please click this subscribe button below my video. If you subscribe, you will get updates and notifications of my tricks. Whenever I upload a new video, the notification will be sent to you. So please click this subscribe button before watching my video and don't forget to share my videos. Thank you. Hi friends, this is Sandeep Reddy Kankanala, educator at Call for Tricks. Friends, today we are going to see tricks to remember order of atmosphere layers. Friends, today we are going to see tricks to remember order of atmosphere layers, and also we are going to see most important MCQs asked in previous exam. Don't worry, I am going to tell you tricks to remember most important MCQs asked in previous government exams. Friends, here important note. 100% minimum we can expect one question from this topic in all government exams like UPSC, SSC, Railway and all PSC exams. Friends, it is the easiest topic. If you remember 5 to 10 questions, sure we can get 1 mark easily. 1 mark will be in your pocket. So friends, try to watch this complete video because every question is important, because all these questions are taken from previous government exams. Let's see here. Here you can see all the 6 important layers of atmosphere. These are the 6 important layers of atmosphere. Here you can see from bottom, troposphere, it is the nearest layer to the earth. Troposphere is the nearest layer to the earth. Second one is stratosphere, third one is mesosphere, fourth one is ionosphere, fifth one is thermosphere and sixth one is exosphere. In the exam they may ask which is the nearest layer to the atmosphere, which is the nearest layer to the earth. The answer is troposphere. And which is the farthest layer to the earth? It is exosphere. The order is very important and it is very difficult to remember the order. Don't worry, now I am going to tell you a trick to remember this order and also the important MCQ questions. Here you can see aeroplanes travel in the stratosphere layer and ozone layer is present in the stratosphere layer. And here you can see radio waves deflects in ionosphere, radio waves deflection in ionosphere layer. And here you can see satellite orbits in thermosphere. But how to remember all these important questions? It's very difficult. Don't worry, now I am going to tell you trick to remember all these important questions. First, let us concentrate on order of the atmosphere layers. Let us see here. The first one is troposphere, second one is stratosphere, third one is mesosphere, fourth one ionosphere, fifth one thermosphere, sixth one exosphere. Here you can see all the order. Here you can see order of the 6 layers from bottom to top. First one troposphere, second one stratosphere, third one mesosphere, fourth one ionosphere, fifth one thermosphere, sixth one exosphere. But how to remember all this order? Let's see here. Friends, if you observe first one troposphere, it starts with letter TR. So let us take these 2 letters TR. Here TR stands with troposphere. Here TR stands for troposphere. And coming to the second one, it is stratosphere. It starts with letter ST. So try to remember ST. ST stands for stratosphere. And coming to third one, it is mesosphere. It starts with letter ME. So try to remember ME. ME stands for mesosphere. And coming to the fourth layer, it is ionosphere. In ionosphere, you can see 2 letters IN, and it starts with letter I, and no other layer starts with letter I. So you can easily remember IN stands for ionosphere. And coming to the fifth one, it is thermosphere. If you observe thermosphere, the first 3 letters is THE. By using these 3 letters, let us remember thermosphere as the. And coming to the sixth one, it is exosphere. If you observe this word exosphere, you can see first 2 letters EX. So try to remember it as exam. In the exam, the first 2 letters is EX. So you can easily remember, if you remember exam, you can easily remember exosphere. So try to remember the layer exosphere as exam. In this way, we have got total 6 new words TR, ST, ME in the exam. If we combine all these 6 letters, we get a sentence. Here you can see the beautiful sentence here. Trust me in the exam. Trust me in the exam. If you observe this sentence, I have involved all these new words. Trust me in the exam. This is the order you have to follow. Try to remember this sentence so that you can easily remember the correct order of the atmosphere layers. Here TR stands for troposphere, ST stands for stratosphere, ME stands for mesosphere, IN stands for ionosphere, The stands for thermosphere, X stands for exosphere. So friends, try to remember this sentence so you can easily remember the right order of the atmosphere layers. The order is very important. Trust me in the exam. Trust me in the exam. And let's see some important MCQs asked in previous exams. Don't worry, now I'm going to tell you a trick to remember all those important MCQs. First, let us consider stratosphere. See friends, ozone layer is present in the stratosphere layer. And coming to aeroplanes, see friends, aeroplanes flies in this layer. Aeroplanes flies in stratosphere layer. Here you can see the image in previous slide. Here you can see the image. Here you can see aeroplanes flies in stratosphere layer and ozone layer is present in the stratosphere layer. But how to remember these two important characteristics? Let's see here. Friends, if you observe stratosphere, it starts with letter ST. And coming to ozone layer, it starts with letter O. And coming to aeroplanes, if you remember planes, you can easily remember aeroplanes. So the letter plane starts, the word plane starts with letter P. If you combine all these letters, we get a word stop. STOP. Here ST stands for stratosphere, O stands for ozone layer, P stands for aeroplanes. So if you remember this word, you can easily remember the characteristics of stratosphere. Here is O stands for ozone layer present in the stratosphere layer, and aeroplanes flies in the stratosphere layer. These are the very two important questions, friends, asked in previous government exams. Sure, we can expect in upcoming exams, so please be concentrate. STOP, stop. ST for stratosphere, O for ozone layer, P for aeroplanes. And coming to the second one, it is, see friends, satellites orbits between, here you can see the second question. Here you can see the second question. It is importance of ionosphere. See friends, ionosphere is responsible for deflection of radio waves. Here the important keyword is radio waves. Ionosphere is responsible for the deflection of radio waves. And the second important, it is ionosphere responsible for wireless transmission. This question asked in RRB NTPC exam. So please be concentrate. Ionosphere responsible for wireless transmission. But how to remember these two importance of ionosphere? Let's see here. Friends, here ionosphere stands with letter I. Ionosphere starts with letter I, and radio wave starts with letter R, and wireless stands with letter W. These are the important keywords: ionosphere, radio waves, and wireless. Wireless stands with letter W. Radio wave starts with letter R. Ionosphere starts with letter I. If we combine these three letters, we get a word wire. Here you can see the word wire. If you remember this word, you can easily remember the two importance of ionosphere. Here W stands for wireless, I stands for ionosphere, R stands for radio waves. Radio waves present in ionosphere layer, and ionosphere is responsible for wireless transmission. Let's see the third important one. Here you can see friends, satellites orbits between thermosphere and exosphere layers. Satellites present between thermosphere and exosphere. These are the very important questions, friends. Try to watch this video twice or thrice so you can easily remember these questions without any trick. By heart this trick. Trust me in the exam. Stop, wire. These are the three tricks you are going to follow. If you remember these three tricks, you can easily remember all the important questions of the atmosphere layers. Friends, subscribe to watch upcoming tricks of very important GK topics. Around 200 videos I am going to upload in future. So friends, get subscribed to get updates of my upcoming videos. If you subscribe, you will get the updates of my upcoming videos. Friends, here you can see the subscription link. Click this box and get subscribed to my channel. If you subscribe, you can get updates of all my upcoming videos, and follow my tricks on Facebook, WhatsApp and Telegram. You can see all these links below in description. Friends, See in description for complete list of videos topic wise. Till now I uploaded 300 videos. You can see all the videos links and the topic wise below in description. Friends, thank you. Please share my videos and don't forget to like and subscribe. If you subscribe, you can get updates of all my upcoming videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.